So I'm going to skip over the volume button right now because there's a few things I'd like to do a little bit later that have to do with audio and putting audio tracks on top. It's a little bit more complicated, so I'm going to go over to the titles. And as you can see, when you click on titles, you have many different options. You have just a basic simple one on the bottom left, standard, prism, gravity, and I love how it shows you a little bit of a sample of what it is it's going to look like when you click on the box on the bottom. So you have all these different options that you can use in order to put some text on top of your videos. Now, let's say I just want to do a reveal, and I want to put the name of the exercise, walk outs. Now keep in mind, in iMovie, you don't really have much, if any, options here for the color of the text. So if you put a white video on here, you're going to see that it's a little bit washed out. Sometimes, based on the video, I might put it down in the bottom corner so that way it kind of pops a little bit. And as you can see, when I do press on that particular one, you'll see the words right above the bottom choices that you have. Opening, which is a little bit higher, middle, which is where it was, and closing, which is all the way over on the right. So you have some options there. And you also have some options. If you look to the right, you'll see sound effect on or sound effect off if you press it. And sometimes you can make a sound effect as the letters are going in. Let me show you that again. Listen carefully. Okay. The reveal one is one that's really cool because it actually makes it sound like that. And that's what I use a lot for my Super 7s. So now that you have that on there, let's say that you just want the wording or the lettering on there only for a short portion of the clip. Now, if that's the case, let's say you only want it for the first few seconds. You're going to press on the clip and you're going to hit the word split right above the pair of scissors. And if you see that little line right there, you're doing good because watch what'll happen. So the word walkouts is on there and then it'll disappear. But there's nothing that's happened to your clip. There was nothing that needed to have a transition or anything. It just went and functions as a normal clip. So that's a real easy way for you to be able to, again, put words on it if you want to, and then take them off if you need to. So once again, I think it's a good idea to just kind of play around with it all, find out which ones you like the best and which ones work real well, and then you can go from there.